In this video, we will learn how to create pivot chart in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some small data with the financial year, cost and profit. So I'm going to create the pivot chart. Okay, so first select your full data. Click on the insert tab. Here you can see in chart groups, you get here the pivot chart. Just click on the pivot chart, click on the pivot. So here check if the new worksheet is already selected. Just here is already selected, so I just click on OK. Okay, now you choose your field. I just choose field values in profit and financially in categories. So here you can see the pivot table also ready with chart. So if you want to add the cost in anywhere, you can add it. If I add in ledger, filter, there is so many options. I just add value in cost. So here you can see the chart also ready with the pivot table. So if you want to edit the chart, you can edit it. Just click on the plus sign. Here you can option if you want to excise title. If you want to enter here the some title, you can add it. Chart title also you mention here. And if you want to data labels and data tables also mention. So I just select the chart titles, okay, to enter here the chart titles. Okay, I just edit it. ABC Limited, it's a company name. So here you mention your title those have. So when you click on chart, here you see the tab is automatically added pivot chart analysis. Here have a number of options, you can edit your chart. So if I want to add here slicer, just click on slicer. Here you can see the three option. You can add slicer. I want the slicer as per the financial year. So I just select the financial year and I add here also slicer. When you click any financial year, the data and pivot table and pivot chart is automatically changed. You can see here only this year, those year I selected, this data only see in pivot table, in pivot chart also. See the changes in both. So hope you understand. When you click select the slicer, you can see here the slicer tab also added. You can edit as per your requirement. If I select this color, you can see the color also change of slicer style. It's not color, it's a slicer style. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.